Yeah, hello again and welcome to our last week of our Mainframe MOOC. And during this last week we want to talk about new technologies on mainframes and present some success stories, and of course we do a summary. When we come to or talk about new technology, some examples where we talk about during this week in our MOOC is Linux on IBM C. We already told something about Linux during the last few weeks. We want to add some additional stuff concerning Linux 1. Linux 1 is a special machine that is from IBM delivered really just for Linux and implementing Linux on this hardware. And there is an open mainframe project from the Linux Software Foundation. And we want to present what the Open Mainframe project deals with and what is done in this Open Mainframe project. Then we summarize also virtualization. We talked about virtualization, of course, already before. There are some additional ideas concerning virtualization. We want to compare KVM, kernel-based virtual machine, versus CVM. We want to talk about application virtualization with Docker. And there are some new network technologies we want to talk about. One is RDMA over converged Ethernet. We talk about shared memory communication, and a very new technology implemented on the newest machines is hyperlink. Then we summarize also application development with new technologies, means especially talking about web services. We compare SOAP and RESTful interfaces and how RESTful interfaces are supported on IBM mainframes. And there is a very special product called COS Connect, already available in the third version. And the idea is to give customers a very easy interface via web services to the application environments we already talked about, to transaction management with CICS, to MQ, to IMS, and so on. And see in the mainframe environment also in place the API community. And another big thing is big data and analytics on IBM C. Hadoop, Spark is available, artificial intelligence and mainframes. And what really happens in this environment we also want to talk about. And the last thing also I think very interesting is blockchain on mainframes, and what special features are available on mainframes supporting blockchain environments. We want to present some success stories. We already talked about, if you remember the introduction to our MOOC, about Walmart. And Walmart is not just a retail company in the United States, it's a technology company, has as example its own Walmart lab in the Silicon Valley. And Walmart is a cloud service provider for their developers. We want to present these things and information about what Walmart is doing to reach these huge transaction rates we already talked in our introduction, with up to 1 billion transactions a day. And it's really just possible with such a mainframe environment. We present some exciting links and websites, and the last thing we do is summary and documentation, additional documentation concerning mainframe environments. Yeah. This will be the last week of our MOOC. Have fun during this last week, and we will present these things now during the next 5 days. Thank you very much.